It's Rose. I know a lot of us don't have access to masks, so I had the idea to create some. Here we go. You're going to need 2 rubber bands. You're also going to need a permanent marker. You're going to need scissors and, of course, a t-shirt. Going to take that stuff off. You're going to use the permanent marker to just make a line across your t-shirt. This will help you get a semi-accurate cut, as you'll see next. You're going to cut across that dotted line, guys. As you can see, I did not cut it perfectly and still was able to get something that could be used if I have to go out. I'm not advocating for going out, but if you do have to go out, it's my hope that you will be safe and that this mask will help you have what you need. So you're just going to cut directly across the t-shirt on the dotted line. Then you're going to cut down the sides of the t-shirt. This is going to allow you to have 2 separate squares, essentially, that you can use to make 2 masks out of one t-shirt. This was an old t-shirt, a t-shirt that I hadn't even worn yet, and so I was like, it can be cut. So you see, you got your 2 layers here. Then you're going to take one, because you're going to use one to make each mask. You're going to fold it over to the middle. Then you're going to fold the other side over to the middle. Then what you're going to do is flip that whole thing and fold it over again. One side to the middle and then the other side to the middle. Now here's where your 2 rubber bands come in. You're going to take those 2 rubber bands and slip it on the t-shirt just like this, with some space on the other side. You're going to do that on both sides, guys. Then you're going to flip your mask over one more time. You're going to fold those ends in one more time, moving the rubber bands as you fold towards the end. Then if you would like, you can go ahead and tuck one side into the other. It's not required, but it helped me a little bit as I was trying to get my mask together. Now what you're going to do is you're going to pick your mask up, and now it is time to try it on. So here we go. You see your rubber bands fit directly behind your ears, and then you can adjust the pieces that are tucked out as you see fit, and adjust the mask to the length that you would like it on your face. I hope this helps anyone who does not have masks at home. Again, not advocating for going out, but if you do, please be safe. Please share this video. Please like this video. Please comment and subscribe. I hope this helps someone. And until next time, bye.